Welcome to Quick Tips. Today we're going to show you a brand new QuickJack accessory that makes lifting unibody vehicles a breeze, so let's check it out. So you've all demanded a better way to lift difficult to reach pinch welds, and I'm excited to share our solution. Welcome to one of our latest and greatest accessories from QuickJack, the pinch weld pucks. Just like our standard pinch weld blocks, these rounded pucks are made to hold firmly and safely around the pinch weld without causing any damage to the frame. These things are great for vehicles with sensitive lifting points like show cars or exotics, to name a few. Plus, they're made from the same urethane material as our other blocks to keep them durable and slip resistant for years to come. Now, I'm sure you're wondering what makes them different from our standard pinch weld blocks if they both do the same thing. Well, I'm glad you're wondering, because besides the obvious shape, the difference is that these rounded pucks fit into harder to reach areas where other parts of the vehicle like plastic trim or underbody panels can get in the way of the lift point. With these new pinch weld pucks, you avoid having to fit a square peg in, well, a round hole, or any other odd shapes that don't mix. And just like our original pinch weld blocks, when using this pinch weld specific design, the risk of any pushing or deforming of the lift points is virtually eliminated. So go online and get yourself a set from QuickJack.com because they're available right now. And while you're there, check out our other accessories that we've come out with based on your feedback. Speaking of feedback, we love reading about your projects and ideas about QuickJack, so drop us a comment below. Anyways, please like this video before you go and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest from QuickJack. Also, be sure to follow us on social media for more great content, and we'll see you next time.